beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Schenelle, Brit for short. Over here on this channel we talk about a little bit of luxury, beauty, lifestyle. So today I have a very quick get ready with me natural makeup look. So before the foundation, now that we've got all of our moisturizer and sunblock in place, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. For foundation, I'm using this NARS Marquesas. I don't know if you can see that. I'm definitely butchering that name, but I will link it down below. It is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And basically I take my foundation brush, which is very dirty right now, and I do about 4 pumps. And then just blot this all over my face, like so, to make sure everything is covered. And this is a medium to full coverage foundation. I love how natural it looks and how seamlessly it blends with my skin. Bring it down on my neck a little bit so there's not like just a hard line of demarcation between where my foundation stops and my natural skin starts. All right, so now that that is all blotted in, let's go ahead and add some chapstick because my lips are feeling very dry. So I use this Bite Beauty Agave Intensive Lip Mask. I wear this throughout the day, every day, and I apply it before bed every night. Now that we have foundation down, I normally use, for concealer, I have the Bobbi Brown foundation sticks, so let's go ahead and get those out. So this foundation stick is in Honey, and it is number 5. This one is almost done. I have a brand new one, but I just am going to use this up until until I literally can't get another drop out, because these are not inexpensive. Okay? I love how creamy this is. I love how easy it is to apply. And let me just actually take my blending sponge here. I'm gonna just put this right down at the tip of my nose. And then also here, just to kind of get a little bit of highlight, and also on my forehead. We're gonna let that set a little bit, and then I go in with Espresso 10. This is another foundation stick around my forehead, around the frame of my face, into my cheeks to kind of just chisel, and then around my nose. So again, getting every last penny's worth of this product, which these are super pigmented and so rich and moisturizing. I know I look crazy. I know I look crazy, but don't worry. I didn't even tell you guys about my hair. So this is my little Sally's satin wrap that I sleep with every night. It just basically holds my hair in place as it is doing now. So it keeps the curls out of my face so that we can apply this makeup. So I apologize if I'm looking beyond the screen for this, just because we're gonna do the eyebrows now, which I technically have very full brows, but there are some sparse areas throughout my brows that I just like to use this Maybelline New York Brow Ultra Slim 1.5 mm defining pencil. It is in the color 262 Black Brown. So I will show you how I kind of go in to just add a little bit more fullness to the brow. Obviously not all the way through, because your brows are not the same color all the way down to the end. However, at the front, We do want to create a nice shape here. So that is what I'm doing. And then you've got this brow compared to this brow. This looks very strong right now. My brow looks very strong. And then basically this helps to take away some of that extreme hardness that you see on the brows. And remember, as we apply our overall setting powder and everything, some of the color is going to die out, so don't be alarmed. We don't want to look like a clown here, so let's just brush some of that out. There we go. So now that we are done with the brows, I think we can actually start blending in our concealers. So take the same beauty blender that I used to apply the concealer or the foundation stick to blend it in. Now that our foundation sticks are all blended out, I'm gonna do a little bit more concealer under the eye. And I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. And for the eyeshadow, while that sits, we're gonna use the Nubian by Juvia. It's got a bunch of beautiful colors. It's got 12 colors, and they're all like in this neutral for brown skin tones. So today, I'm gonna use this brush, which I think I got from Target, and we're gonna use a couple. This color is super pretty, and this color, and this color. So we're gonna blend. I normally just shake off and blow because it does have glitter in it. And then I just start applying. I know this technique is not everyone's cup of tea. However, I try to do both eyes simultaneously just because it's easier for me to match the color on both eyes this way. All right, so for the corners of my eyes, I'm gonna use this dark shade and this dark shade, but this does have a little bit of glitter in it, so be careful with that. And then this neutral brown, which is very close to my complexion. Brush it off. So now that we've got blending done, so you saw that I started basically on the corners and then I blend towards the middle. So that kind of helps to create a nice shadow casting. And this brush, I think it came in a pack from Target. This brush is a MAC brush. It's 219 SE. I'm gonna use this for the teardrop crease area, and I'm gonna use the two brightest colors. go in with a little bit of eyeliner. So I go back and forth between MAC Definedly Black and then Maybelline Unstoppable Eyeliner in Onyx. Today we're gonna do the Maybelline just because I feel like it applies a little easier, and it's very, very pigmented. Once we've got the eyeliner down, let's go in with our liquid eyeliner, NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. It's gonna be very hard to do in the camera, so I'm gonna look beyond the camera. Okay, so I made the liner very thick, thicker than I wanted to, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and blend out the concealer now. I'm gonna go in with Huda Beauty setting powder in Cinnamon Bun. I'm gonna apply that with this little Target brush. I'm just applying it to all the areas where I want to set the highlight. We'll let that sit and then we will dust it off in a bit. And let's move on to mascara. So my favorite mascara ever of all time, of any mascara that I've ever tried my entire life, is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions in Bryn. Looks like this. You can get this from Sephora, Target. Actually, Sephora or Ulta, I believe. And then I always go in on the bottom lashes just because I think that's imperative. Can't forget the bottom lashes. Okay, so now that we've got the base mascara on for length and fullness, then I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Black Vinyl in Legendary Lashes Volume 2. Great, so that is done. Let's go ahead and brush off the setting powder that we used. Also under the eye, we are doing a Charlotte Tilbury in 3 Dark. To enhance the warm brown tones around the forehead and the cheeks, I am going in with the Studio Fix MAC. The color's completely worn off. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. It is a couple shades deeper than my actual skin tone. I'm applying with the MAC brush. And everywhere that I blended out that espresso Bobbi Brown foundation stick, I'm going ahead and applying this powder with this brush so as to kind of warm up the face a little bit. And then to finish off, I'm going in the dark mineralized skin finish powder with this brush, which I probably got from Walmart in a set. And I am blending everything, taking it down to the neck, forehead. For blush, I am using this MAC brush, which I don't know the color. Again, it is worn off. This set was also a MAC brush. The name is gone. And then I just apply pretty dramatically to the apples of my cheeks. It's kind of like a red, mauve-y, burgundy look. And I think it just helps to seal the face. Like, it looks very dramatic, but in the perfect way. We're coming to the home stretch, guys. So for my highlighting powder, I use this Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow, and just look at this, y'all. I mean, don't look at the surrounding situation because it's gross. However, look at the color. Like, it is just so beautiful. I don't know if you can, And I've had this for probably 2.5 years. Like, this doesn't finish. Does not finish. So I'm using this fan brush, which again, this is from Ruby Kisses fan brush. I either got it from a beauty supply or from Walmart. I just follow right along my cheeks where I applied that blush, the line of my nose to kind of highlight there. Right above my lip. To finish off, I always go ahead in with this NYX Matte Finish long lasting setting spray, and it looks so disgusting. This bottle is basically done. Please, a little bit, please. Oh. For the lip, I am using this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the color 608 Limitless Brown. And I literally just use it to line my lip, and I bring the liner up more here, because my lips are very naturally full, so this technique actually helps them to look a little smaller. Let's do this Makeup Forever Pink Color 206. Let's pull on those orange tones a little bit. This is color 305, again at Makeup Forever. I actually got these in a kit. It came in like 12 glosses. I got that from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So here is the face. All right, beautiful people, so that concludes today's video. Thanks so much for hanging around with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. Also, if you have any other makeup recommendations for an everyday makeup routine, don't forget to comment down below. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.